Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Clerk and Bubble workflows step by step clearly. To authenticate with Clerk and Bubble workflows, you first need to log into your Bubble account. Create a new application or open an existing one that you want to integrate with Clerk. Navigate to the Plugins tab in your Bubble editor. Search for the Clerk plugin in the plugin store. Install the Clerk plugin by clicking the Install button. Once installed, access the plugin settings. You will need to enter your Clerk API key and other relevant credentials. Obtain your API key from your Clerk account dashboard. Return to the plugin settings and input your API key. Next, create a new workflow in your Bubble application. Add a trigger that starts the authentication process. Select when a button is clicked or another suitable trigger. Add an action to the workflow by clicking on Element Actions. Scroll down and find the Clerk actions available in the plugin. Choose the Authenticate User action from the list. Configure the action to match your app's requirements. You may need to specify user data fields or redirect URLs. Test your workflow by running the application in preview mode. Click the designated button to initiate the authentication process. Follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate the user with Clerk. Ensure that the authentication flow works seamlessly. If successful, the user should be redirected to the specified page. Review the workflow logs if you encounter any issues. Adjust the configurations as needed based on your findings. Continue refining and testing until you achieve the desired functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.